Sarah is an ordinary woman, but her day is always busy and filled with small adventures. She wakes up at 6:30 a.m. every day. The first thing she does is stretch her arms and legs. She smiles because she knows it's going to be a good day. After stretching, she gets out of bed, walks to the bathroom, and splashes cold water on her face to wake up. It feels refreshing. Once Sarah feels awake, she brushes her teeth carefully. She likes to make sure her teeth are clean and shiny. After brushing her teeth, she puts on her favorite slippers and walks to the kitchen. It's still early and the sun hasn't come up fully yet. The house is quiet. She makes herself a cup of hot coffee and enjoys the warm drink in silence. She likes to sit by the window, looking at the peaceful street outside. Around 7 a.m., Sarah starts making breakfast. Today, she is making scrambled eggs with toast. The smell fills the kitchen, and it makes her feel hungry. She eats her breakfast quickly because she has a busy day ahead. After finishing, she quickly cleans up the kitchen, puts the dishes in the dishwasher, and gets ready for the day. By 7:30 a.m., Sarah is dressed. She chooses a nice dress, brushes her hair, and puts on a little makeup. She wants to look good for her work day. Sarah works as a graphic designer at a small company, and she enjoys her job. She checks her phone to see if there are any important emails or messages. After that, she grabs her bag, puts on her shoes, and leaves the house. Sarah takes the bus to work. The bus ride is about 30 minutes, and it gives her time to relax and think. She looks out the window at the busy city. People are walking quickly, and cars are moving in every direction. Sarah listens to music on her phone during the ride. She enjoys it because it helps her feel calm. When Sarah arrives at work, she walks to her office. She says hello to her colleagues and sits at her desk. The first thing she does is check her computer for new design projects. There are a few emails waiting for her. She quickly replies to them and starts working on her new design. She loves her job because she gets to be creative and use her imagination every day. At 12:30 p.m., Sarah takes a break for lunch. She goes to a nearby cafe with her friend, Lisa. They usually order sandwiches and a cup of tea. While they eat, they talk about their day and laugh together. Sarah loves these little moments with her friend. After lunch, they go for a short walk around the block to get some fresh air before returning to the office. The afternoon passes quickly. Sarah works on a project that she's excited about. She needs to design a new website for a local restaurant. She enjoys making websites because it allows her to use both her design and technical skills. At 4:30 p.m., Sarah finishes her work for the day. She is happy with what she's done. When Sarah leaves work at 5 p.m., she is tired but satisfied. She knows that she has accomplished a lot today. She takes the bus home, just like in the morning, but now it's dark outside. The city looks different at night. There are streetlights everywhere, and people are walking home from work. Sarah listens to a podcast on her phone during the ride home. By the time Sarah gets home, it's 6 p.m. She enters her apartment and takes off her shoes. She feels happy to be home. The first thing she does is take off her work clothes and change into something comfortable. She makes herself a cup of herbal tea to relax. Then, she sits on the couch and watches her favorite TV show. It's a crime drama, and she can't wait to see what happens next. At 7:30 p.m., Sarah starts making dinner. She decides to cook pasta with a tomato and basil sauce. The smell of garlic and tomatoes fills the kitchen. While the food is cooking, Sarah calls her mom. They talk for about 20 minutes. Sarah enjoys these conversations because they always make her feel close to her family, even when she's far away. After dinner, Sarah washes the dishes and cleans the kitchen. It doesn't take long because she's used to doing it every day. She likes to keep her apartment neat and organized. Once the kitchen is clean, Sarah spends some time reading a book. She's reading a mystery novel, and she can't wait to find out who the criminal is. She reads for about 30 minutes. By 9:30 p.m., Sarah feels sleepy. She closes her book and puts it on the table. She takes a shower to relax. After the shower, she brushes her teeth and gets into bed. She looks at the clock. It's 10 p.m. Time to sleep. Sarah turns off the lights and pulls the blanket over her. She closes her eyes and thinks about her day. She feels happy and peaceful. She is excited to do it all over again tomorrow. Good night, Sarah.